Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be showing you how to register for Axis Bank's online banking services. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and hit the bell icon so you get updated when there's a video update. And don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get started. So first you open your browser. You can go to Google or just type in the search bar Axis Bank. So once you do that, you will be shown the official website of Axis Bank. You click there, it's axisbank.com. So once you do that, here you have the option to log in. And so for internet banking, so for personal, you either log in or register. So we want to register, so you click on register. So once you click there, you'll be taken to this page where you will enter your account details. So here you either enter the customer ID or your registered mobile number, the mobile number you have registered while opening up an account in Axis Bank. So you will enter your ISD code here, and then you will enter the registered mobile number here. And so here you have to note that the customer ID is mentioned in the welcome letter and the checkbook. And if you have a debit card or a credit card issued with this, you have to make sure that you know your PIN number associated with the ATM PIN number that you have with your debit card. You want to make sure that you have that. And if you don't have a debit card, then you can ask the bank for a PIN number, which will be sent to you to your registered address. And so once you enter these, you'll click on proceed and you will enter the user information, your name, and a few details like birth date, and account number, and debit card number, and your PIN number. And after that, you will enter a few details, and then you will set password for your internet banking or online banking. And after that, you will be done and ready to go and start using the online banking services. So it's very easy to do this. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. Bye.